Welcome back, everyone. I'm Angie, and I'm going to show you how to make a little snack that I have named cookie dough because that's what it reminds me of. It's actually also could be classified as a fat bomb. It's good, healthy fats. It is shelf stable for quite a while, so I can take it camping or on a hike. And it actually is inspired by something I had bought on Amazon called Keto Geek Energy Pods. Those are super yummy and delicious, but they were kind of getting pricey, so I decided to try and make my own and experimented until I came up with this, and I love it. So basically, it starts with 2 cups of coconut. And you're just going to dump everything into a food processor, and you're going to blend it until it is the texture of cookie dough, or even a little bit thinner. You can go longer until it's a little bit runnier. It does harden up if you put it in the fridge. And then it gets a little soft and meltier if it's out. The next thing it has is 1 cup of pecans and 1 cup of macadamia nuts. So I've already measured those. And then it calls for about a 1/4 cup of ghee. You can use vanilla ghee for a super yummy flavor, or this is just plain ghee. So I'm going to go ahead and use a little bit of vanilla extract, probably about a teaspoon. I've not tried it with butter. I just really like the flavor of the vanilla ghee the most. And the next thing it calls for is your sweetener. I like to use monk fruit, so it's 3 tablespoons of powdered monk fruit. You can probably use Swerve or even a granulated sweetener, but I've just got the powder, so that's what I'm using. And then cinnamon, about a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. And I have Ceylon cinnamon. And then that is it. And I'm going to show you how I scoop it up in little snack cups at the end. So bear with me, it's a little bit loud. I'm going to wait until it is the right consistency. So hang on for just a second. Okay, it's about the consistency of cookie dough right now. Sometimes I go a little bit longer to let the oils come out of the nuts a little bit more. And then what I do is just scoop it up in these little snack cups. You can also get off of Amazon. These are 3.25 ounces. And then I top it with some sugar-free Lily's chocolate chips, or any sugar-free chocolate chips, or even a chocolate bar just chopped up. And then a few little pecans. And then I just put a lid on that. And then I have my little snack cups. The kids could take these to school on their lunches, or I take them camping and on hikes. They're a great little fat snack, and they're very filling. Lots of good healthy fats. So enjoy.